Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shin Godzilla and Cthulhu as one character. Let's go over it together right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shin Godzilla mixed with Cthulhu, so let's do it. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw with that kind of garbage, I was going to say Oscar the Grouch looking head of Shin Godzilla. So let's see. We're going to draw the top of the head right here. Just boom, 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 boom. Just little bumps right there for the top of kind of the snout of Shin Godzilla. Going to pull up a bit here for kind of the brow and the top of the head over here. Maybe around here. Over here on this side, we're going to pull down. Curve over here and line underneath. Over here now, circle on the right. All right, let's go over here now, around this area. Whew. We are going to, okay, this is where the change comes in, right? We got to bring in some of Cthulhu's features, all right? Okay, let's do it. By the way, if you have any suggestions, let me know. If you want to cross over certain characters, I'll draw it on here, all right? Let's go over here. Cthulhu has this tendril kind of thing coming down. So he's really going to look like a catfish, right? Right now, this character. What would you name this guy? Well, let's wait till we're done. So I'm trying to make it a little bit bumpy, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Over here. Over here on this side. Right, you have the tendrils. And I'm going to throw out a little bit more. So over here. Like so. And over here. Right there. Okay, we got the teeth underneath there because he's got these really sharp teeth. But it's going to be hidden behind those kind of Cthulhu-like tendrils. But let's go over here to the cheekbone on this side. Pulling down over here, and there's kind of that skin, right, when the lizard opens his mouth. And Shin Godzilla has a ton of that weird, bizarre, like, skin layer right there as he opens his mouth. Curve over here underneath. Over here underneath there. It's got that large open mouth, and underneath here for kind of that lower jaw. All right, over here, we're going to draw the teeth up over here, up over here, up over here, up over here. There we go. Kind of opening that mouth. And we're going to draw the neck down. So the thing with Shin Godzilla is he has a really... By the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you like the way I'm teaching or talking or anything here. Just hanging out with you guys. Definitely hit the like button. It kind of sends the video out more to different people. And yeah, if you can. All right, we're going to draw that neck. And Shin Godzilla has this kind of like chest bone that kind of goes up and down. That sternum, and it's like a spike sticking upward. And we're going to keep it down here. Let's draw a little bit of a wing. That's a Cthulhu thing over here. So curving up there and then pulling out, pulling in. Line over here. And you're going to draw that little bit of the wing there just to show that there's a wing on the far side. Let's draw a couple of other little tendrils maybe coming out the back over here. Let me see, line over there, over here, and then like pulling up, you know, because he's got like a few just floating around there. Line over here. Curve, curve. All right, curve over here. And then putting some teeth shapes in the back. like so. Just kind of make it look a little bit more dimensional. Line over here, line over here. Let's fill this out, by the way, just to make it look more dimensional. All right. Okay, now we're gonna draw the signature kind of open wound looking thing on the side of Shin Godzilla's neck over here. And we're gonna draw a line. It's almost like a little bit of like, I don't know, like under layer of skin. It's pretty gross. He always kind of reminded me of like a zombie. By the way, don't forget, if you like drawing cute stuff, which is complete opposite of this, I'm gonna keep drawing these lines. If you like drawing cute stuff, go check out the free ebook. It's in the description. It is 100% a guide on how to draw something cute. If you get that guide, you're going to be able to draw anything cute out of your head at any point from memory. Get that guide. It is 10 pages. It is all pictures, and all it does is teach you the proportions of cute characters. So large head, small body, but how large, how small, what are the different kinds of cute? I put that in there, right? And it's all visual graphs. Right? I'll give you some choices for how to draw hands. Do you draw them in that cutesy Animal Crossing way where it's like a big nub, or do you draw them with cute little fingers, and like how do they look? That's all in there. It's a visual guide. It's simple. It's easy to follow. It is for you, and it is easy. But well, the good part is it's free. It is 100% free. So download it. You can print it, or you can have it on your phone as a reference. It is a perfect guide. Go get it when you have time, or now. Just pause it, because I am going to start charging for it in a couple of months. That's kind of my, or maybe a couple of weeks, I'm not sure. But I'm going to start charging for it soon, so absolutely get it right now. So we have this character, right? What's left? We're drawing little parts of... We're drawing a little, like right here, these little bumps. It's these little curves downward right here. And the reason we're drawing them like this is to kind of indicate that the rest of him is spiky like that. We got to draw his nostril in there, right? The rest of him is like that. Right on. Go over here to draw some spikes on his back. And the spikes look like little splashes, I've noticed, for Shin Godzilla. Or like ninja stars that like are just wedged in his back. That is it. I want you to say what's up in the comments section. I love hearing from you guys. I'm going to start going live if I have enough people that ask me. So if you ask me in the comments, go live or tell me, I will start going live all the time. But I just don't have enough people asking me. So if you ask me, I'll let you know. Okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Whoops, I forgot an extra 2 lines over here. You're amazing. Stay around. We're going to go over another lesson. So stay right there. Let's start another lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.